practice English speaking.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Practice English Speaking.
Today we're diving into one of my favorite times of the day, the evening.
Yes, tonight we're talking about daily routine at night. Simple English, real examples, easy conversation.
If you want to sound natural in English, this episode is perfect for you. Let's slow down, relax, and talk about how we end our day.
Hey friends, thanks for joining us. I'm Jake.
And I'm Anna, and we're so happy you're here with us, like always.
This podcast is created for English beginners, so don't worry. Yeah, no stress. Just enjoy, listen, and practice with us.
Tonight, we'll talk about what we do after the sun goes down.
Our night routine, step by step.
And we'll teach you new words, useful phrases, and real-life examples.
And of course, we'll keep it friendly and simple. So, Jake, let me ask you a big question.
Okay, I'm ready.
What's the first thing you do when you get home in the evening?
Easy. The first thing I do is take off my shoes.
Classic.
Yeah. And listeners, that's a great phrase, take off.
It means remove something from your body.
For example, I take off my jacket. I take off my glasses.
Nice and simple. After that, what do you do next?
I usually go straight to the kitchen.
To eat?
Well, sometimes, but usually to drink a glass of water.
Oh, good habit.
And here's a vocabulary tip. Many English learners say, I drink water glass or glass water.
But the natural way is a glass of water.
Exactly. Very natural and everyday conversation.
All right, Anna, your turn. What's the first thing you do at night?
Okay. When I get home, the first thing I do is put my hair up.
Really?
Yes, it's part of my evening routine. I feel more relaxed.
So for our listeners, put my hair up means tie your hair.
Yeah, and I usually change into comfortable clothes.
Like pajamas?
Exactly. Pajamas are the best part of the night routine.
I agree 100%.
So, Jake,
Yeah.
what time do you usually eat dinner?
Around 7 p.m.? What about you?
I eat a little later, maybe 8 p.m.
And listeners, remember, I eat dinner, not I eat the dinner.
Yes.
And not I take dinner.
Yes. So, Jake, what do you eat on a normal night?
Honestly, something simple. Maybe rice and chicken.
Classic.
Sometimes pasta, sometimes vegetables.
Guys, here's a phrase, a simple meal.
It means food that is easy to make and not complicated.
Jake, after dinner, do you relax?
Yeah, I like to wind down. That means to slowly relax your body and mind.
Listeners, repeat after us. Wind down.
It's a very natural evening expression.
You can say, I like to wind down after work.
Or I wind down by watching TV.
Do you watch TV at night?
Sometimes, not always.
What do you normally do?
I read.
Oh, fancy.
Not fancy, just relaxing. I read for about 20 minutes.
That sounds nice.
And I also check my phone, maybe too much.
Same.
But I try to stop using my phone before bed.
Good idea.
And here's a phrase, before bed.
It means before you go to sleep.
Okay, Anna, your turn. How do you spend your evening?
Well, after dinner, I usually clean the kitchen a little.
A responsible adult.
I try. And then I sometimes watch something.
Like a show?
Yeah, maybe a short episode.
And here's a simple phrase for our listeners. I watch a show.
Or I watch a movie.
No, it'd be, I don't know why that's strung together in one
Yeah,
sense.
yeah, yeah.
I watch a show.
Yeah.
I watch a movie. But remember, not I see a show when you mean watching TV.
Exactly.
I have a funny story about evenings.
Yeah, uh-oh.
Last week, I was super tired. I sat on the couch for 1 minute.
I know where this is going.
Yeah, I woke up 2 hours later.
On the couch?
Yup, still wearing jeans.
Oh, no.
That was the fastest night routine ever.
So listeners, don't fall asleep in jeans. It's dangerous for your happiness. Okay, let's teach an important phrase. Get ready for bed.
Yes, it means do all the little things before sleeping.
Like brushing your teeth,
Washing your face,
changing into pajamas,
turning off lights.
and saying goodnight.
So Anna, how do you get ready for bed?
I brush my teeth first.
Good start.
Then I wash my face with warm water.
Nice and refreshing.
And here's the phrase, wash my face.
Simple and very common. I usually take a shower at night.
Night showers are the best.
They help me sleep better.
That's true.
And after that, I put on my pajamas.
Soft pajamas.
The softest.
So after you're ready for bed, what do you do?
I like to sit quietly for a few minutes.
Like meditation?
Kinda. I just breathe slowly.
That sounds peaceful.
Sometimes I listen to soft music.
That's a great tip for our listeners.
Yeah, if you want to relax, you can say, I listen to calm music at night.
Let's give our listeners some useful evening expressions.
Yes, repeat after us if you can. I finish work.
I get home.
I make dinner.
I take a shower.
I wash the dishes.
I rest after a long day.
I scroll on my phone.
I turn off the lights.
I go to bed.
I fall asleep. Super useful for everyday English.
And perfect for practicing with Practice English Speaking, your favorite channel.
Smooth promotion, Jake.
Hey, it's true.
Now, we want to ask you, our listener, a few questions.
You can answer out loud or just think in your head.
Ready? What time do you usually eat dinner?
Do you watch something at night?
Do you take a shower in the morning or at night?
How do you relax before bed?
Do you read? Do you listen to music?
Easy questions, but great for practice.
In another way, say, "Hulgen."
Jake, do you ever stay up too late?
Oh, yes.
Why?
Because sometimes I say, just one more video.
Famous last words.
It's sometimes they say just one more video, and suddenly it's 1 a.m.
That's dangerous.
Very dangerous for my morning routine. Hey, listeners, that's another great phrase. Stay up.
It means not sleep when you should sleep.
Example, I stayed up late last night.
Or don't stay up too late.
Useful for daily routine conversations.
So, Anna, what's the last thing you do before sleeping?
I check that everything is locked.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Then I turn off the lights.
I lie down on the bed.
I get comfortable.
I pull up the blanket.
And then, good night.
That's the night routine.
Simple, peaceful, relaxing.
All right, friends, let's quickly review.
Tonight, we talked about your daily routine at night.
Phrases like wind down, get ready for bed, stay up, and go to bed.
We also shared examples from our own evening routines.
And we hope you learned something new, simple, and useful.
Your action steps for today. Say your night routine out loud in English.
Use 5 new evening phrases from this episode.
Practice with someone or with us again.
And remember, you can always learn more with our channel. Practice English Speaking.
Thanks for joining us,
Sleep well tonight.
and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.